Hello students, today we are going to start with a new topic, telescope. The objectives of today's topic are: what is a telescope, various types of telescope, construction and working of refracting telescope in normal use, and construction and working of refracting telescope when the object is at infinity. Now what is a telescope? Telescope is an optical instrument which is used to see distant objects. There are two types of telescope, refracting type telescope and reflecting type telescope. Students, today we shall be discussing refracting type astronomical telescope. Now let's start. Here we can see there are two lenses. First one is called as objective and the second one is called as eyepiece, and both these lenses are convex lens. Now we can see here the rays of light are coming from infinity and are making an angle of alpha with the objective lens. The image is formed at f0, which is called as focus of the objective lens. Now this image acts as an object for the eyepiece. Now since this is kept at f0, so the image will be formed at infinity. We know that whenever the object is kept at the focus, the image always forms at infinity. Normal adjustment. M is equal to angle subtended by the image at the eyepiece to the angle subtended by the object at the objective. This is equal to beta over alpha. Alpha and beta, since they are very small, so we can take alpha as tan alpha and beta as tan beta. Now, from the diagram it is clear that tan alpha is AB over OA and alpha comes out to be AB over OA. Tan beta is AB over AE, tan beta is AB over AE, and hence we can divide beta and alpha. So ultimately we will get M is equal to F0 over FE. F0 is the focal length of the objective and FE is the focal length of the eyepiece. So M becomes equal to F0 over FE. Now let's start with the second case when the final image is formed at near point. Now here we can see objective lens and eyepiece. Objective lens has higher focal length as compared to the eyepiece. Now the rays of light which we can see are coming and they are at an angle of alpha with the lens. These rays meet at a point known as f0. The image formed for the objective lens becomes an object for the eyepiece and the image is formed in front of the lens, which is virtual and erect. This is because the object is between FE and E. That is, whenever the object is between the focus and the lens, at that time the image is always formed in front of the lens. Now I hope you have understood the diagram. Now let's start with the derivation. Angular magnification, as we have already done, M is equal to beta over alpha. When alpha is small, at the time alpha can be taken as tan alpha. Now from the diagram it is clear, tan alpha is equal to AB over OA. Tan alpha is equal to AB over OA. Similarly, tan beta is AB over AE. From here we can put the values of beta and alpha. So we will get the answer F0 over UE. Here AE is called as UE. Why? Because the image acts as an object for the eyepiece. Now using the lens formula, 1 over V minus 1 over U equal to 1 over F. Here V is equal to minus D. as we have taken the condition that the image is formed at near point. The near point is here D, which is called as least distance of distinct vision. Now U here is minus UE and F here is FE. So putting these values in lens formula, we will get minus 1 over D minus 1 over minus UE is equal to 1 over FE. Ultimately, on solving, we will get the value M equal to F naught into 1 over FE plus 1 over D. Why? Because we have put the value of 1 over UE in the equation of M. So, we will get the answer M equal to F naught over FE into 1 plus FE over D. I hope you have understood the topic, students.